Hey guys, what is going on? Joshua Elder here, and today I want to walk you through a new digital marketplace known as Digistore24. So I'm going to do a quick review on it. We're going to run through exactly how you can get signed up, how you can get your affiliate links, and exactly how you get paid. So if you're looking forward to this video, as always, smash that like button. Obviously, it helps the algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because on this channel, we teach you strategies, tactics on how to really build a business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So the reason why I absolutely love Digistore24 is because it is available worldwide. So I know I've got a lot of people from different countries on this channel, and the huge benefit of Digistore24 versus something like ClickBank.com is that it's available in all countries and it pays out via PayPal. So what I want to do is I want to actually switch over to my computer and show you exactly, number one, how to get signed up to Digistore, number two, how to obviously connect your PayPal account, and then number three, how to find quality products to promote, and number four, exactly how to promote those products. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the computer. All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Digistore24.com. You can see that it's up here, right here in my browser. Once you get there, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And then all you need to do is click on the Start Now. It's free to sign up. And then what you'll do is you want to make sure that most of you guys are going to be signing up as an affiliate. So you'll want to check affiliate. If you are a product creator, AKA a vendor, then you can select vendor and affiliate, or you could just simply select vendor. Most of you guys are going to select affiliate. And then what you want to do is fill out a username. And as I fill out a username, so I just type my first name here, maybe my last name, you can see that my affiliate link, my general affiliate link is going to be right here. So it's going to be go.joshelder.whatever product ID it is of the product that I'm promoting, .digistore24.com. And then I can enter my email address right here. And then obviously you repeat the email, enter your password, and then all of your information as far as name and address, country. Like I said, it's available in all countries. So you just select your country from the drop down there. And then your phone number, Skype if you want to put that. And then you want to obviously agree to the terms and conditions. And if you want to receive the newsletter, you can do that. And then you'll click on register for free now. And then what you'll do is go to your email inbox, verify your registration, and then you'll be able to log in. So you'll go back to Digistore24.com, and up in the right-hand corner, there's a button where you can just select log in. It'll pull up this page, and then we will go ahead and log in here. And then this is your affiliate dashboard right here. So you have daily earnings, you have your earnings chart, you have weekly earnings, your weekly earnings chart, your annual earnings, and then your annual earnings chart. And you could actually select exactly when it is that you want to get paid. If you want to get paid bi-monthly, every 2 weeks, if you want to get paid every single month, you can go ahead and set that up in your account settings. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to details, and then we're going to scroll down, and we will go to number one. We want to connect our PayPal account. So you'll just click right here, set up your PayPal account. And again, what we did is we just simply went up to account up here, selected details, and you would just select, set up your PayPal account right here. And then it's going to ask for your current your password right here, and then payouts per month. So you can select if you want to be paid every single week, twice a month, or just once a month. So I would just select the 7th and the 21st. And this is really cool. You can select the actual payout threshold. So typically, like PayPal, I believe they have a threshold of right around $100. The cool thing about Digistore is you can get paid, with a minimum, I believe, of $50, even lower. If I select 10, let's see if that'll work. So yeah, it's got to be at least $50 or higher. So you'll select 50 there. We'll enter my current password here, obviously, and then you'll scroll down and go to payout method. And there's a few options. There's international bank transfer. I did mention that there's PayPal as well. And then there's also US bank transfer if you're within the United States. So I'd most likely select US bank transfer, and then my account number, routing number, and then the payout would be made in USD. So if you're international, obviously you would just select international, and then you would put your IBAN or account number, your SWIFT code, and then the payout could be made in euros or CHF. Okay? And then you have your banking information here, and then you would just select save. Okay? Then what you would do is, after that's all set up, you can then go back to the marketplace or go to the marketplace for the first time. And if you are an affiliate and not a vendor, you will just click on all offers on affiliate marketplace. And then you can see all the digital products here. Now, that's the great thing about Digistore24 is the fact that it's all digital products that you're going to be promoting. Obviously, if you don't know already, I talk a lot in this channel about how important it is to promote digital products over physical because the profit margins are so huge and you can just make more money. So you can see that digital products is selected, and you've got all the different categories right here, just similar to what ClickBank's got. And then you have all the products right here. And what I typically like to do is sort by sales rank. So the most popular products will be listed at the top. So this is number 1 right now on Digistore24. You can see that the sales rank is number 1 in personal development. It's number 1 in digital products and 1 in all products. And I really like that it also has the cart conversion rate. So this has got a 9% conversion rate, which I love that they're just transparent about that. Versus like ClickBank had their gravity score, but it never really listed how well the product actually converted. It just gave you somewhat a rough idea using that gravity scale. So it gives you a 9% cart conversion rate, which is awesome. And then you got the cancellation rate right here. And then all you need to do is just simply select promote now, and it's gonna pull up your custom affiliate link. And then you can just copy that and you can simply share that around the internet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna list in the description of this video exactly the strategies that I use, that I've taught in my channel on how to go out and promote products from Digistore or any affiliate network online. So I will list those links in the description that will show you exactly other videos that I've put up on how to get your affiliate link out there and start generating sales. Okay, so you can see that there's many other products right here. HSV eraser. You can once again see the cart conversion. That's really awesome, 18%. The cancellation rate, 18%. You can see that also it will tell you, like this pays 92% commissions. That's epic. That's awesome. So, you know, it looks like on average, the cart value is $44.08. Okay. It looks like the price average throughout the whole entire funnel of what you're going to, earn, I assume, is going to be $38.59. And then of course this pays out 75% commissions. This pays 50% commissions. This is a cryptocurrency offer. And another way that you can find out exactly what's selling really well, and you want to promote an affiliate product and you want to find the best products to promote, just go to like marketplaces like Digistore and ClickBank and other marketplaces online and just look at what is selling the best. And that's an indicator of what niche and what product lines to start promoting. So cryptocurrency is really popular right now. You can see that this is at the top and its sales rank is number 3, 50% commission. You're gonna earn $257.24 on the front end of promoting this Keystone Investor Club product. Then you've got this done for you services affiliate marketing system right here. The average earnings is $633. The cart conversion is $9, and so on and so forth. You got the pandemic protocol, obviously with the pandemic that's going on. Somebody's leveraging that to promote this product right here. So that's how you get access to Digistore, how you sign up, how you set up your PayPal or whatever account, however you want to get paid, how to set that up, and then exactly how to find a product to promote. And then it's just simply all about promoting that product. So if you want strategies and tactics on using platforms like YouTube and other platforms, go in the description below and see my other strategies. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got value from it. If you did, please give me a like. Hopefully this has really opened your eyes up to the possibility of affiliate marketing. It is the future, and more people are able to get access to affiliate marketing and leverage affiliate marketing around the world to completely change their lives. So hope you got value. Once again, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. If you don't tick the bell icon, you're not going to be notified. You can't just subscribe. You got to hit that bell, you guys, to be notified of all future videos that I upload. So with that said, hope you got value. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video.